Hello everyone, we're going to be discussing all about primers, okay? So yeah, remember this video is for professional use only, okay? Most of the tricks, tips and information I'll be sharing with you today is going to be strictly for professional use, okay? Okay, let's talk about primers. If you do your makeup yourself, obviously you do your makeup every day, you apply your makeup every day to work, you go out every day, you will need some sort of like conditioner, sunscreen, a lot. Like you need a lot of base because you apply your makeup on a daily basis. Most times your clients come to you just once in a year. Some clients don't come to you every day. Say for instance, if you have a client booked, like if you have a special like celebrity client that you do like every day when they are going out, then you need some sort of skincare product that you'll be using for them. With me, I don't worry too much about skincare. I know a lot of you will be like, what do you mean? Skincare is very important. What do you mean? You need a primer to apply your makeup. Yes, you might have watched a lot of videos that will tell you you have to apply 4 primer, you apply skincare, sunscreen, protection, this, that, under eye cream, blah, blah, blah. Oh yes, I will do that if I have a client that I do on a daily basis, okay? Because I'm the only makeup artist that she uses, and she goes to like occasions every day, and I'm like her personal makeup artist, okay? So I'm the one that will be always applying her makeup every time, so I'll pay attention to those things because guess what? I apply her makeup for her when she's going out every day. But if I have a salon, okay, and people only come to me when they have like occasions, okay. If you watch this guy, he's a celebrity makeup artist. I think he's Scott Barnes. Is that his name? He will say he doesn't use primer. This guy is a celebrity makeup artist. He does makeup for J.Lo, Jennifer Lopez. You see her glowy skin? He doesn't use primer. Like, you don't even need primer, okay? All you need is moisturizer. Yes, I'm going to say that again. All you need for a flawless makeup application for your client is moisturizer. So you can invest in a good moisturizer. I love the Olay, okay? The oil of Olay is very good. If you have a good moisturizer, you can even use your client's moisturizer, but I always prefer to use my one because you don't even know what your client's moisturizer is made of, because some moisturizer might not be a good base as well, okay? You only need moisturizer. So don't go and start looking for what primer, this primer. I just feel some of this primer don't even do the job, okay? Though you see primer, this one will tell you oil control, mattifying primer, this, that. Guys, I'm gonna tell you this. I just think you don't actually need some products. Like you don't need some products because I've actually tried this, yeah. I use a mattifying primer on my client, and I use like another primer like says moisturizing primer and all of that. At the end of the day, it all goes down to the application. Yes, you heard me well. Application. Did you set your makeup very well? Did you press it in? Did you push the powder in? Did you set your makeup, your under eye properly? Depending on the look you want to achieve, you don't really need that mattifying primer. If you want a mattifying face, you set properly. If you want a glowy face, you don't use a lot of powder. It's that simple, okay? So I hope I answered your question. I know a lot of people are gonna go on the comment section saying, you need this primer, you need that primer for a good makeup application. You need a primer because primer is going to make your makeup come well, even when they tell you that this one is going to reduce fine lines and all of those kind of stuff. I'm telling you, I've used a lot of primers, even the one that says they're going to reduce fine lines, they're going to do this, they're going to make your under eye. Did they do the work? Sometimes your brain is going to tell you that they are doing the work, but they're not actually doing the work. But because it's written that this primer is going to reduce fine lines, you just believe that, okay? Like I said, primer is not important in makeup applications. Primers are not an essential product in makeup application. Don't go about asking people what primer did you use for this makeup. You just have to learn to apply makeup properly, okay? So I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you comment down below. Remember, do not watch this if you're not a makeup artist, because I don't want you commenting like, oh my God, you need a primer, because guess what? You don't need a primer, okay? Remember, if you want to book a mobile hairdresser, mobile beautician, mobile afro hairdressers, mobile afro beautician, anywhere in United Kingdom, check where mobile afro hairdressers and beauty.com. The link is where it's gonna be down below. Bye guys.